Operation Snore Counterstrike. My partner's complaints about my nighttime concertos had become as regular as the snoring they protested. Little did they know, I had an ace up my sleeve, or rather, a recording on my phone. I managed to capture their own snores, those earth-shaking rumbles, and played it back one unsuspecting night. The next morning was a revelation, the look on their face a mix of shock and self-awareness. Since that night, the accusations have ceased, and the nights have been suspiciously serene. They've even started bringing me breakfast in bed, a gesture of unspoken apology, I presume. I confess, the recording is now my bargaining chip, my secret weapon in the gentle warfare of marital bliss. It's the unsung hero of my mornings, a testament that sometimes in marriage, the best defense is a good recording.